Welcome to this detailed breakdown of the TSB Balance Transfer Credit Card, where we'll guide you through all the essentials you need to know before considering it. If you're unfamiliar with balance transfer credit cards, the idea is simple. You transfer your existing credit card debt to this new card, ideally with lower or zero interest, so you can pay off your debt more efficiently. Let's get into how this TSB card works and whether it's the right choice for you. The TSB Balance Transfer Credit Card offers a promotional 0% interest on balance transfers for up to 20 months, which is a solid period for paying off your balance without accruing extra interest. However, keep in mind that a balance transfer fee of 2.95% applies to all transfers, so it's important to calculate if this fee is worth it compared to your current interest rates. The card does not charge an annual fee, making it an attractive option for those seeking to manage debt without ongoing charges. The card's representative APR, after the promotional period, is 21.9% variable, so it's crucial to pay off your transferred balance within the 0% period to avoid high interest charges later. Another advantage of this card is that it provides up to 56 days of interest-free purchases if you pay off your balance in full each month, which adds some flexibility in managing your finances. Point one drawback is that TSB requires a good credit score for approval, so it may not be accessible to everyone. Additionally, balance transfers must be completed within the first 90 days to qualify for the 0% offer. While the card is great for balance transfers, it may not be ideal for ongoing spending due to its higher-than-average interest rates once the promotional period ends. The TSB Balance Transfer Credit Card is best suited for those who are looking to consolidate existing debt from other cards and have a plan to pay it off within the promotional window. Make sure you're aware of the fees, deadlines, and post-promo rates before making your decision. If you're considering a balance transfer credit card, the TSB card is certainly worth a closer look due to its lengthy 0% interest period and lack of annual fees. It could help you reduce debt and save money, but only if you use it strategically. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's help you make smarter financial choices.